Hello, everybody. This is Ron Kaufman. I'm the author of a New York Times bestselling book called Uplifting Service and founder of a company by the same name. We work with clients all over the world, many in the hospitality industry. I was asked recently, what should we be doing during this chaotic, unexpected, unanticipated, unwanted time where humanity is having to deal with a crisis? We're having to adjust our ways of living and working and being with each other in the world. And so to answer that question, I want to show you an image here and tell you a little story. My wife and I, when coronavirus broke out, were on a cruise ship off the coast of Latin America. We were going through the Straits of Magellan from Argentina to Chile, but by the time we got to Chile, Chile closed the border and we were not allowed to get in. So we went back the other way again, and then Argentina closed the border, and then Uruguay closed the border, and we were finally, after 3 weeks at sea, everybody was healthy, able to get off the ship in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and fly back to Singapore via London. But because we went via London, the Singapore government required that we go into immediate 14-day single hotel room, tiny hotel room quarantine. The windows didn't even open. The maximum distance we could walk was 6 steps. And so for 14 days, after 3 weeks on a ship, my wife and I in a small room, we literally went into a cocoon. Now, do you know what happens when a caterpillar spins a cocoon? It releases an enzyme and literally melts itself down. It becomes a protein-rich soupy goo, and out of that goo then eventually evolves and grows a wing, and another wing, and an antenna, and an eye, and eventually emerges a butterfly. And that's exactly what's been happening for us. Absolute transformation. There's a saying like, never waste a good crisis. Well, we are in crisis right now. And so what I'd like to invite you to do and take away from this video is don't look at this as just something to get through until you get to the next new normal. There may not be a new normal. These kind of evolution and change and constant provocation may be what's normal coming up. And so what I want you to be thinking about is, what is it you have been doing that you really should stop? It congests you. It takes up your time. It sucks up your energy. And that's not what you want to be or become in the future. Second, what do you want to become? How do you want to be special and different and take better care? Better care of each other on the team, better care of your customers, better care of the communities in which you work, better care of the world. I want you to think about the butterfly that you can actually become as a result of this transformation, not just how to be a better caterpillar. Because at times in life, and this is one of those times, you have an opportunity to authentically melt down and then reinvent yourself to be the very best new person you can be, the best new team you can be, in some ways, the best new company that you can be. So I encourage you to go for it. Do it. Let yourself really pause. Rest for a moment. Think deeply. Feel deeply. Speak authentically and genuinely with others. Listen deeply. And find out what you really care about. Then bring that care, bring your energy, bring your enthusiasm, bring your passion, bring your ability back into the game as the new being that you really want to be in the world to come. I'm Ron Kaufman, and thanks for taking a moment to listen.